I get asked a lot, what's my minimum cash flow when I sell a property with seller financing or when I sell it on a lease option? First, let me say we don't dispose of properties with lease options. We just don't do it, and it's because, as a rule, 80% of those people that go into your house on a lease and option are not going to eventually buy the house, and we want them to purchase. So we always sell with seller financing. Now, that may be a contract for deed in states that allow it. In states like Texas that give contract for deed the side eye, it may be a wraparound mortgage, and that's okay, but we're always going to sell with seller financing. As far as minimum cash flow, I would never ever go into a deal with less than $300 a month in cash flow. There are just too many that you can buy that'll give you that and more, and our actual target somewhere between $400 and $500 a month. But if you're working the deals right and you're buying the right properties, you can absolutely get a minimum of $300 a month in cash flow.